more storage. Lots of storage, more storage people. Big closet, big spacious closet. There's one big closet. Look at that walk-in closet. Closet, more closets. I hope I never own enough stuff to fill these closets. Hello everybody and welcome to my brand new backyard. We just settled on this house about, 45 minutes ago, and we are walking around in it for the first time, completely empty with no furniture in it. Guys, this place needs a lot of love and just a little pick-me-up, but I know it has so much potential. I'm so excited to turn it into our second home. And yeah, I'm just, excited. I keep saying that word. But I just wanted to show you around really quick, tell you a little bit of our hopes and dreams for the place. And I just wanted to say a quick thank you to Jeff Diefenbach from Remax. He was so great in helping us transition from our first home to our next property. My husband is behind the camera today helping film this. So just some really quick stats on our property. We moved about 20 minutes north. We're still living in Lancaster County, and this place is about 4,000 square feet. It includes a house, a little side Airbnb, a big yard, and then a shop at the other end of the property. So we're super excited. We know there's lots of room to expand, and yeah, let's get on with the tour. So this is the back of our house, our big back private yard. A lot of mowing to do. Here's a little patio area and the walkway. A lot of flowers. You're seeing this at about the nicest time of the year probably. And let's just walk on this little path out to the front of the house so I can show you the little Airbnb we're planning to fix up. That's gonna be our first project. Josh has a shed over here and a little swing set. We need to buy some swings for it.
So we have, my voice cracked his own starting to stop laughing at me. So I'm really excited about the barn back here. Right now it's got some horse stalls in it, but we're gonna put some shelving and stuff in there. We're gonna have my little shop. The weed patch, I think it's just gonna stay a weed patch for now.
Nope, it's gonna be a garden.
No, it's not flat. It's all on a hill, so you can't really do a garden.
Garage, our car fits in. It's technically a 2-car, I think, but we'll probably just use it as a 1-car. So this is the Airbnb. Come on inside. I'm really excited about this place. I feel like it has a lot of potential. Right now it just has purple curtains and stuff, so you have to look past that. So this place, I guess, is what you call like a studio apartment, and it just has 2 rooms kind of flowing into each other, a living room slash bedroom slash kitchen. But the interesting thing is the previous owner had kind of like a dental office in here, and so yeah, it's gonna be quite the unique space when we're done with it. I'm excited about it, and I'm definitely hoping to list it by fall. So when you walk into the Airbnb, there'll be like a bedroom, and there's a big closet over there, and then I think we're gonna put like a little seating area right here, and maybe a little seating area over here. As you can see, we're really pushed for space. So I think we're gonna actually put like a bar with some bar stools here and actually have no kitchen table. This place is only gonna be able to sleep about 4, I would say, and that's with like it being a family, because there's only one main bedroom, as you can see. Also, a tiny little kitchen. We're planning on ripping that out or maybe redoing it, painting it, just so it has some more appeal when you list it online. And tiny little bathroom, as I said, that has carpeting that's gotta go. So yeah. I'm excited to get this going. This will be our first project we move in, so we can start having a little bit of income coming in on the side. So rather than taking you in from the front of the house, I'm just gonna bring you into the garage, because that's kind of how we're gonna access the building anyway. So you can kind of get a feel for that. I'm just gonna come through the garage here. Now I can't wait to show you the inside of our new house. But first, this video does have a sponsor, and I'm so happy to be working with Audible. And I know what you're all thinking, what a great fit. Megan's always talking about podcasts and audiobooks, so how perfect. And believe me, I was excited when Audible reached out to me to partner together with this video. I've been listening to The Chaos Cure by the Fly Lady, Marla Silly, and I highly recommend it. I was listening to it while cleaning our first house and getting it ready to hand off to the next owners, and it was giving me some serious cleaning motivation, guys. Audible has the largest selection of audiobooks on the planet, which lets you fill your summer with educational self-help books like How to Make Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, or entertaining Christian fiction like The Number of Love by Rosanna M. White, or even good old classics like Anne of Green Gables. I listened to 2 or 3 of those while I was painting one of my husband's clients' houses last year. And if you're an Amazon Prime member like me, listen up. We all know the month of July is the month of Prime Day, and now until the end of the month, you can start an Audible membership and save 66% on your first 3 months, a total of $30 off. That's like getting 3 months for the price of 1. You'll pay just $4.95 per month for the first 3 months, and then after that, it's only $14.95 per month. Visit audible.com/MEGANFOX, that's Megan Fox, or text Megan Fox, MEGANFOX, to 500 to get started today. And I'll put all those links down in the description box for you to find really easily. Again, this offer is only good until the end of the month, and that's only 3 days away. Goodness, guys, how is it almost August already? Audible members get a credit every month, good for any book in the store, regardless of price, and also 2 Audible Originals, and then your unused credits always roll over. And I try to be careful what I take the time to listen to and read. So something else I really love is that they have a great listen guarantee where if you don't like the book, you can swap it out for something else. And that's super important to me because sometimes you just can't judge a book by its cover. Audible is a great thing to have when you're weeding the garden, mowing the lawn, or laying out by the pool. Pretty much all those summertime activities. So if you were thinking about getting Audible, now is probably the time to do it. Again, visit audible.com/meganfox, MEGANFOX, or text Megan Fox to 500 to get started. Just gonna come through the garage here and you come into, I'm so excited. I've never had a laundry in my entire life. No, doing laundry is not my favorite chore in the world, but I think it could be if I had an organized and spacious laundry. So, I guess the washer and dryer will go here. Big, spacious closet. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all these closets. I told Josh when we bought this place, I hope I never own enough stuff to fill these closets. Over here, I think we will put like a little changing table because it's kind of far up to my son's bedroom, and yeah, you know, babies need their diapers changed all the time. In here is my kitchen. Don't laugh, and yeah, I'm very grateful for this kitchen. I know it looks super dated, but we'll fix that. I'm not worried about that at all. But I actually have room now to cook, and right here you can see it's gonna be the little eating area. We do have a dining room. We're not gonna use it as a dining room, I don't think. Like, of course, plans can change. But yeah, right here we will put our kitchen table, and then Josh, I don't really like anything about this kitchen, but Josh really likes the countertops. What'd you say they're called?
Granite.
Granite, yeah, here. So I think we're gonna make the kitchen do for at least the next maybe 5-10 years, and then put like my dream kitchen in if finances allow, and if that's not still my priority, but we'll see. But yes, I wanna repeat this winter or as soon as possible. And then, I didn't even think I was excited about this spot, but my friends got me all excited about the sun porch out here.
You push out, always push out.
Gotta be smarter than the door. Anyway, come on out here, people. Forgive me, I'm new. So here is the sunroom. I actually think I might leave the wood the way it is. I know painting it white seems like the obvious choice, but I'm just picturing lots of green plants and macrame, and I want to turn this into like a seating area using like outdoor furniture and stuff maybe. Ripping out the carpet, of course, and that kind of thing. But yeah, I have dreams for this space, but that might be a spring project in a couple years from now. We'll see. But yeah, definitely think this room has a lot of potential. And the views outside right now are just gorgeous with all the greenery and the flowers. Okay, so follow me in here to the dining room, which I don't think we're gonna use it as a dining room. And you'll notice kind of through the whole house, everything is trimmed out in just like this basic medium brown wood. That's one of the first things that I would like to paint. But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of projects that I want to get happening here all at once. So it's just a big room, but my favorite thing about this room is the big, what do you call it, Josh? What kind of window is that?
Be a bay window. The
big bay window right here. Oh my word, I'm so excited about this. I want to live in this house a little bit first before I decide what this purpose for this room is going to be. But I'm thinking right now a toy room, because I can't always send them down to the basement. They're pretty small yet. So I'm thinking about putting my sewing room in here and like toys. So yeah, I can kind of get 2 things done at once. But we'll see. Into here is going to be kind of a music room / office. I have my piano going in this corner over here. And then over in this corner, we're going to put Josh's desk. The paint color and all that can all change really easily. I'm not even going to even mention paint colors and flooring too much anymore because pretty much it's all going to go eventually because this might be for our forever home. But yeah, I think for now we're going to try this space out as an office and kind of a music room. So we'll see. This is definitely a small space. Eventually I'd like to knock this wall out and have one big area and maybe make the kitchen footprint change a little bit. But yeah, that all costs money. So we'll see. I'll just give you a quick peek out the front door here. It's a quiet little cul-de-sac and the road actually ends right down here. This is our front door and Josh seems to just love it. It's not my style in the least, but for now it's staying. Doors like this are not cheap. One of my favorite things about this house is the actual entryway. I've never had that before either, even in the old farmhouse I grew up in. But the staircase goes up there, and I'll show you the upstairs in just a sec. And then here is just a big, spacious area. I'm hoping to put maybe some hooks. Well, there's some hooks there, but I'll do my own hooks. and just like maybe a shoe bins and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm really excited. There's a lot of potential here. This house was built in, I believe, like the late 70s, early 80s, so you can kind of see that here in the hardwood flooring. Oh my goodness, guys, this cracks me up so much. Look at this bathroom. It's a blue toilet. I actually think I might leave it because, hey guys, you can't buy character like that anymore. But yeah, just a very small powder room there. And lovely, lovely wallpaper. And no, believe it or not, I'm still not done with the downstairs. There's another living room in here. So 3 living rooms and a sun porch just on the main floor. This is gonna be the main living room. As soon as we get some recessed lighting in here, I don't know if you noticed that all the rooms down here were kind of dark. It's because they were all, I guess, operated with lamp light, which is not gonna work for us. We have kids, and yeah, it's just a lot to dust, and my husband can do a lot of that himself. So we're gonna definitely get some recessed lighting in here as soon as possible. This is actually wallpaper over top of paneling, so as you can imagine, we're getting rid of all that. Hopefully this winter. That might be actually a project we do soon. And I don't know what my feelings are exactly about this fireplace, but I definitely can think of about 15 other options I would like better. But in the end, am I just being high maintenance? I don't know, we'll see. We'll think about that as we live here a little bit. And the built-ins, I think they're gonna go, but we'll wait and see. Okay, and then you can see I just kind of made a circle. I'm back in the kitchen again, and let's go upstairs. Really quickly, it won't take long at all to show you upstairs. So to the left, we have the big master bedroom. Once more, it's the wood trim, and that's all gonna go. This room is really big. I've been debating thinking about getting a king size bed, but we're really not that big of people, so we'll probably just stick with a queen and maybe put my office in here or something. There's one big closet in our room, plus there's another walk-in closet. I don't understand why there's so much closet space when there's such a small bathroom. Look at that walk-in closet. That is some people's dreams, probably. But I just don't ever want to own that much clothing, guys. And here is the little bathroom. Our dream someday would be to have a nice, big master bathroom. I know we would use it, I do know that. But at least it has a double washable. But eventually I think we might turn the closet into more bathroom. But that's kind of the dream someday in the future. Less closet space, more bathroom space. Okay, coming out of the master bedroom, this house has 2.5 bathrooms plus the Airbnb bathroom. So yeah, a lot of bathrooms to clean. This one will just be the kids' bathroom, I think. And I'm not really sure how I want to handle having multiple bathrooms. I've never had multiple bathrooms, but I think I'm just gonna keep mostly everything in the main bathroom right now since the kids are really young, and just keep like their bath supplies over here. I don't know, why bother cleaning 2 double washables every single week? I don't know, just a thought. Let me know in the comments below what you think would work best, if you think I need a dedicated bathroom for the kids, or if I could just use this bathroom as a second bathtub. I don't know, we'll see. Like I said, we have to feel it out a little bit. But yeah, this whole bathroom will get renovated at some point. It's really showing up yellow on camera right now, and it is actually pretty yellow. And then across from the kids' bathroom, we have the smallest of the bedrooms, believe it or not. And yeah, there's not really much to say here. Big closet again, and this will be Fletcher's room for now. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Is it recording? Mm-hmm. Do you want to guess what's behind this door? You guessed it. More closets. Josh, don't ever let us own enough stuff to fill up all these closets. It's just crazy. Okay, I'll show you the ugliest bedroom first, and then the biggest bedroom over here. I'm thinking this will be Ivani's bedroom. Yeah, it needs definitely a huge facelift. But the other room is just so big, I feel like she's gonna be so lost in it. Let me show you that room. I think the chimney kind of continues up through here, which is why this little built out is in here. But this room could have a lot of potential. It's really cute. It's completely lined with closets. And yeah, I don't know, it just seems really big for Ivani. So I'm not really sure. I don't know. We have to still decide which bedroom is gonna be hers. But it's a good problem to have. We'll figure it out. This place is gonna be like Ivani Disneyland eventually. Big, giant toy area. But yeah, it looks like we just put a bunch of hodgepodge carpet down here, so it won't be hard to replace this. And then this basement is kind of like in an L shape. So this space back here I think is gonna be like the media room area. I don't know, like some comfy sofas and a screen maybe. I don't know. But then we can have like 2 separate kind of areas. Toy room and like a media, another / living room, family room type of thing. So There is some more like utility space in the basement. I'll show you that really quickly. Just a bunch of paneling. I think if anything, we'll just like paint it all rather than ripping it all out. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, more storage, people. More storage, nuts. That could turn into a little bedroom if we ever needed it to. Probably not though. And more storage. This house has electric heat and also it's like a coal stove as well. So let me know what you guys think. Does anybody have one of these, and is it worth the time, the money, the dirt, the upkeep, or is it better just to switch it all to propane? Josh says he's not gonna listen to any of you anyway, but I would still like to know your opinions. More storage. So, I think that's everything. I don't think I missed any shots, but if I did, I'm sorry. I think you still can get the gist of the place. It's very big, lots of storage, very dated, but I'm really excited about all the potential that this place has to offer, and especially the location. So close to family and friends. So let me know down in the comments what you think of the space, any ideas you have for what I could do to just make this home better. I'm not gonna promise I'm gonna take all your advice, but I'd love to hear it, and it gets my mind rolling, and sometimes you guys will suggest something that takes me down a whole bunny trail of thoughts, and I come up with something completely different. And I'm always glad for feedback. And if you missed the tour of our previous home, make sure that you go and watch that one next, because it'll kind of show you what my style has been in the past, and then you can see where I might go with it in the future. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not. I'm not planning on turning this channel into a giant home decor show or anything, but you will see lots of updates in vlogs and maybe a few dedicated decorating videos, things like that. So you don't want to miss it. If you are new around here, I didn't introduce myself fully at the beginning, but my name is Megan Fox. I am a Mennonite mom from Lancaster County. We have 2 children, and we've just bought our first home together. Subscribe if you have not already, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.